Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to make this beautiful earrings, and for this we'll need these materials. It's on the screen, and the in the description box you can check out these products. So let's quickly get started. So firstly I took this 7 inches golden wire. Take any marker size pen and try to fold this wire from the middle like this. Now take one end of this wire and with the help of pincer just fold it, turn it like this in a round shape. Around 2 times you need to fold this wire like this, and do the same with the other part also. The products I'm using here is from the Design Card shop. They have a huge variety of craft items, fabrics, laces. So if you are facing any kind of difficulties finding these items in the local market, so you can check out once their website for the products. You may get it. Now this is how it will look like, and you need to create another piece like this. And now take one connector ring, open it with the help of pincer, and insert two red beads in it. Make this around a pair of 3. Now take one pearl kundan and insert it in between these two beads and lock it. Now take another brass plated wire around 1.5 inches long, and fold it like this. We need to create a S shape like this with the help of pincer. It's a hanging for our earring. So these are the parts we need. Now insert this ring connector onto this S-shaped wire like this, and hang this earring part, the first one we created before, and this is how our earring will look like. Take another connector ring and open it, hang this in between this earring. You have to do this with the help of pincer only, and then insert pearl kundan and red bead into this connector ring and close it. So this is how our earrings will look like. I hope you like this very easy tutorial. If you want to buy these products, do check out the link in the description box below and get 10% off on your purchase using my code, that is sewingisfun10. I will be uploading more such videos in the coming days, so do let me know any specific pattern you want to learn in the comment section. See you in the next video.